Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we will be checking out how to know your entry point trading to trend in boom and crash. That is the best time to go into the market whenever you are trading boom and crash, most especially when you are trend trading. Okay, and that is what we will be checking out in this video. And before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice. Okay, you need to practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. So I have it here that how to know your entry point trading the trend in boom and crash. That is the right time for you to go into the market whenever you are trading boom and crash. Okay, before we can go straight into the chart, we need to understand a few things. Okay, trend trading is a very vital part of trading because most of these assets are trend trading, and of course once you get it right, then definitely you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, now quickly let's see how to go about it. Okay, the trend has to do with you moving with a particular direction of the market, or probably the market is moving in a particular direction and it might be doing that for a very long time. Okay, and of course when the market is on downtrend, you should know that you should be selling at that particular point, and when the market is on uptrend, then you should know that the only thing you should be doing is for you to be buying at that particular point. Okay, and of course your support and resistance zone is also very important. If you know your support and resistance zone, it will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. It is easier to start selling from the resistance zone than from the support zone, and it is easier to start buying from the support zone than from the resistance zone. Then your lot size will keep you in full control of the market. Okay, so all these are very important. Now let's go back into the charts to see what we have right away. But before we do that, remember this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, this is very important. Now let's move on to the charts right away. Okay guys, some days ago, few days ago, I actually introduced this indicator and I gave it out for free at that particular time, and of course it actually helps to simplify the art of trading and trend trading at this particular point. You can see it, you can imagine coming in around here. Here is a resistance zone, here is an entry point, and you can see it's trading. This is a very long trading. Okay, right from this moment to this moment. I think that is cool enough. Now let's check it out on 5-minute time frame. Okay, before we do that, check out this. You can see this. You might not really understand this until you go to 5-minute time frame. Now let's say it on 5-minute time frame. Okay, you can see this guys. This actually gives you more confidence in the market, and of course it helps you to know how to trade the market successfully, most especially for those of you that have access to this trading tool when I ask you to download it then. And of course it's just a simple task, but most of you will not do it, and of course you will come later to ask me for it. But those that have gotten it, congratulations to you guys. And of course let me just explain this aspect to you. You can see the market was on uptrend before and it's got to this resistance zone. It started pulling back, even though the situation is not very clear at this point to know if it is actually going on downtrend or not. Right here it gives us a downtrend signal, but this is where it gave us a sell signal, and of course it started selling right from there. It got to this region, played around there for a while, still did not change the signal, and of course it went below it and still was still selling and got to this region, still played around there for a while, and of course it broke out below it again, and of course played around there for a while, but right now it has noticed that it has not been able to break out below this support zone because it has got into this major support zone and it has not been able to break out below it. So this may likely go back on buy trend right from here. That is why it is giving us a buy signal around here. So this is unique. You can imagine you trading right from here to here. This is 5-minute time frame, and this is 50 candles. Okay, 50 times 5, that is 250 minutes. Okay, that's amazing, guys. That's amazing. You can imagine if you are earning 50 cents per minute. Okay, you can do your calculation. You should have earned $125 right from there. Okay, just by trading from here to here. Okay, $125. That is unique. Anyone can actually do this. You just need to follow this simple instruction and you will be able to milk the market successfully. Just follow the instruction. If the trend is on uptrend, do not sell. Make sure you buy. Here is an uptrend situation. You can see it got to this support zone, and it must come from the support zone. It got to the support zone and it started pulling up, and of course gave us a buy signal around here. So you should know that you shouldn't sell within this region. Okay, you can check it out. It kept on buying and buying, no sell signal in between until it got to this region. Okay, this is 76 candles. You can do your calculations, guys, to see how much profit you can make with these. Okay, so this is unique. Anyone can actually trade using this particular trading tool, and of course all you just need to do is to follow the instruction. If you refuse to follow the instructions, then you're going to get it wrong. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. For those of you having this trading tool, go back to your chart and practice with it. Practice what I have just explained to you. Okay, you can take it down to 5-minute time frame if you have been practicing with 1-minute time frame. Now it's time to eat more solid food. Okay, it's time to trade on 5-minute time frame. Now go back to 5-minute time frame and try out what I have just explained to you in this video. Okay, by the time you practice with it, you will be able to see 1 or 2 things right there, and you will be able to put everything together and make it a good strategy for yourself, and you will be able to milk the market for yourself right from here. Okay, guys, I will be stopping right here. For more information on more trading tips and of course good trading tools that you can use, then definitely you need to be a subscriber of this channel. Okay, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and share my videos, and of course give a beautiful comment, and I'll always come up with good and amazing trading tools and of course trading tips right here on this channel. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and you can also drop your questions within the comment section. I will always be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.